So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply open or launch your TikTok application. But before that, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of this application. So if you have other devices aside from this one, and you want to lag out your account from those devices, what you want to do is to simply go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then here, what you want to do next is to click this three lines at the top right corner. Once you tap this one, you have to go to settings and privacy. And then under settings and privacy, tap security. Here you will see these options, and what you want to do is to click this manage devices. Okay, so once you tap manage devices, you will see here all the devices that you have logged in to this TikTok account. And if you have other devices here below, all you have to do is just simply click that trash bin or trash icon to simply remove this TikTok application from those devices. But as you can see now, I have only one device. So this is my current device. So I can't see that option, or I can't see the remove option right here. But if you have other devices right here, then all you have to do is to click that remove or trash icon, and it will delete your TikTok account from another phone. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.